Hi, so here we're just going to show you a quick look at Collabor8 online on these absolutely fantastic new iPad devices. Absolutely sensational bit of software, or bit of kit I should say, that you can use. Here we've just logged on in the usual fashion, username and password with this wonderful keyboard. Click on go and we'll be logged in. You can see the status bar there will be logged into the application. Once you've logged into your application, it's probably best seen if I just spin the device to portrait view. Is you've actually got the whole of your project available to you on site, and you can zoom in with a wonderful pinch and zoom features into all of the details that you have on there, all of the information about the project, just about everything that you have. So what I'm going to do now is just rotate it to landscape and adjust the camera so that we can see it a little bit more closely. Okay, so looking in a little bit more detail at what we have looking at the project, you can see we're on the home page here. We've got the calendar at the top with various details of appointments. We've got to-do lists here, recent comments, and all of the recent activity going down here, just the same as you would see on a regular PC screen. You can use the fantastic pinch and zoom feature to just zoom in closely on whatever you want to look at, and just clicking or just touching on the plus sign adjacent to any of the folders will either open up or collapse that folder, so you could zoom down to drawings, work packages, applications, whatever you're interested in. If we just go to the home page of our airport job, you can see the site progress bar at the top. Just as per a normal PC, it will zoom you to the project. Here I've got a bit of text. I've got some images that I've stored. Touch on those and I would view them. But perhaps you might be interested specifically in any particular drawings or other content that you might have on the site. I'm zooming down here to a particular drawing. Again, just touch on it. I have the iPod configured to open drawings in a pop-up, so that's just going to zoom me out to another window. And sorry for the glare on the screen there with a webcam, but that's actually going to open up an example drawing that we have. And again, pinch and zoom is absolutely sensational, that you can zoom right in, pan across to any particular detail that you want to see, any aspect whatsoever. And of course, if that wasn't the drawing you want to see, pinging back to the main site, you're going to have access to all of the drawings that you have on your server. So what we view this as is that when you go out on site, you actually have literally in the palm of your hand all of the correspondence, all of the tender documentation, all of the specifications, drawings, other information that you have safely held on your file server in the cloud, as it were, and it's literally in this tiny device. Now, one limitation about the product at the moment is that because of Apple's disputes with Flash, plus the fact that this thing doesn't actually have a file structure as such, you can't upload content from it onto the server. But what you can do is read from it, and what you can also do is read templates of quotations or whatever and send quotations back out as an email. I'm going to do some other videos on what you can do with regards to emailing content later on, but from a quick look at this absolutely sensational new product from Apple, there's a quick overview of how Collabor8 looks and feels on an Apple iPad.